Hey guys, my name's Hayley. I am the owner of Rising Grill. I started this journey really just to showcase what I love, which is camping, four-wheel driving, cooking, and the canopy is going to bring it all together. And yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. Today's been really exciting, so actually seeing the build come together is like amazing. So the main reason I went with MRC Canopy is the modular effect. It's stunning. You'll see, I'm literally just going to open a drawer, everything I need will be there, and it's just going to flow. So today I do get to pick up my Mazda BT50. We did go with the Explorer package. It's chassis mounted. I went with the pantry, the fridge, and two different modular design drawers.